Hey everyone. Oh, car come in, hang on. Hey everyone. I'm doing a sound test on my Takegawa RS Exhaust. I just polished it up as well, so it's come out super shiny. I'll show you how I did that in another video. But anyway, yeah, so this is like a general drive-by test of what the exhaust sounds like. I've done loads of rides with the GoPro and a lav mic connected to, well, somewhere near the exhaust, so you get an idea of what it sounds like. But like I say, today this is a sound clip that you don't usually get to hear on my videos, and that's an actual drive-by, so I'll give you an idea of what it sounds like.